In the streets up. I remember scraping up that loose change. Long nights, even harder days. Flip the packets, gold chains in a ball fade. 40 tuck, got too much to stash, don't do the ball mains. Never rock a bag.
What's good, people? Fresh off of work, I had to come at y'all with a follow-up. Been busy at work. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these out, come back at you, because I don't feel like doing it tonight. Also, I want to show y'all something. I got me this lock sock thingy. Got it from the mother-in-law, you know. It's like a sock thing, you know. Show it to you. Cause what I do is when I go to bed, if it was rainy today, so I had this on all day. You know what I'm saying? It was raining, so put this bitch on, stretchy. Feel me? Get the hair out of there. Bring it back from the bottom of the map. Feel me? Whoa there. Whoa there. Set it off in this mother. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get it right. Now don't put this one on and go think you're gonna rob somebody now. They'll recognize your hair. Bring that out. I think they got longer ones. I don't know. Boom. And I be out here like this, getting it, thugging it, feel me? If I wanted to put it up, you know, got me a hair bow on.
Bitch, I'm up next, call me cute, bitch, you been hot. Cast you off the seat like you Tom Hanks. Take you on a shopping spree, no Hillary Banks. Yeah, that's all for me, I already said thanks. Call of Duty tactics, I'm climbing up the ranks.
I had my hair up like this all day today. I just did it just because. Not gonna do the regular ponytail, really didn't matter. I just wanted it up off my neck. I was getting a little warm, you know, I didn't want to have the hair on my neck. So I did a little fold up, you know, secureness. I don't know what to call it. But yeah, this is what I was doing all day. If you want to try it, you can do that. Still getting used to this long ass hair. I sit back on it now. I gotta lean up to look down. It gets under my armpit sometimes. I'm like, what the hell? Oh shit, that's hair coming from the back. That's a lot. And I, you know, it just be throwing me off sometimes, putting on and taking off shirts. Say about a wife beater, my nigga. Come on now. The back came out. It was just wrapped around. I really don't know how it was wrapped around, but it was wrapped around, and the wraparound came out and wrapped around. If that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? You know, but I put a hairband on the top so I can keep that in there. So I kept the top in. It's been like 6 days, basically a week, and I'm about ready to take this out. So a good week, and I take a style out. It's been a while since I had a style like this, like a professionally done. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Feeling it. My moisturization is pretty good. I haven't had any bad, dry, itchy spells. Only time I had itchiness is like, you know, when you get the style and you got that little bit of up under the braid and you hit it. That's about it. That's all I've had. As far as the flakiness, you know, this broad temperature, you know that it gives you some flakiness, but let me tell you something. I had a little bit up here. It looked bad at first. It was, you know, a little bit excessive, but as soon as I got it out the way, I was good. Threw a little bit of water on that, and I was all right. I was just going about my business, and I was just in here just getting it. You know what I'm saying? And they're like, booty hair, you feel me? I'm about ready to take this out. I'll see what I was gonna do. I was gonna do some rope braids, like in the back, so I can keep it in, you know, still keep it all nice and whatnot. But you know what? I'm ready to take it out. I'm about tired of it, you know? And that's just what I'm gonna do. As far as the oils I had been using, I'm guessing it is working out for me. Haven't had too much of itchiness, dryness, whatever the case may be. The products that were used on this retwist, I absolutely recommend them if you have hair or scalp conditions similar to mine, because it is working for me. You feel me? But of course, I always recommend you find what works for you. You know what I'm saying? And then keep it clean, keep it healthy, keep it locked. You feel me? And we in there. That's all I wanted to come at y'all with, you know what I'm saying, give you an update on the hair and whatnot, and moisturization products used and everything else, you feel me? And let y'all know what the hell about to go down, you feel me? Because I am going to take this out. You're going to see it. Don't worry about it. But keep it locked, keep it healthy. Stay tuned for more. I will be coming at that. If you want to be at the bottom, comment. If you want me to grow, which I appreciate. Go ahead and share this joint, you feel me? Like the video, and that's part of that, and I really appreciate that. Hopefully I can get some more products in, and maybe I can get some shit out, I don't know. But stay tuned and we in there. Obey Loc'd with Lock Basics. Keep it healthy, keep it locked, and we out. Till next time.
These niggas rats, by the way. All you niggas whack, by the way. That's a fact, by the way. Ain't even worth a stack.